The list of eligible candidates for the course of A&M is out. The list club me nam ta ki apply nam ta ka A&M Auxiliary Nursing and Midwifery A&M training course for the session 2023-24. The eligible candidates sapej the ka ki list merol nami apok official website me at 3 July arjar apply. The lawan play apok website machealth.gov.in nam ta information ke khamna. The the date of screening will be held on 18 and 19 July. Teng sapan mi page to kali sapo pensa ii kertang jongpi kino ki bayo khat pra tarik Julai bat kio khat khanai tarik Julai kajaga ban screening kade po at FHW Training School Ganesh Das Government M&CH Hospital kanmau kadi Ganesh Das Port Shillong bat Civil Hospital Port Tura from 9 AM to 4 PM. The date and center of screening of the candidate are displayed again their names. The candidate are to bring along with the original document at the time of screening. Mau gitu ke bami list sa root bat ki original document jongbi por bapi screening. Tekine ki list apa sa check movie.